Learning how to repair bad credit, Phoenix AZ. Bad credit can be a major hindrance to achieving financial stability and independence. It can affect your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, or even secure a job. But the good news is that bad credit can be repaired. Here are some tips on how to repair bad credit. Check your credit report. The first step in repairing your credit is to get a clear understanding of where you stand. Request a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your report for any errors or discrepancies and dispute them with the credit bureau if necessary. Pay your bills on time. Late payments are one of the biggest contributors to a low credit score, so make sure to pay all your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure that you never miss a payment. Reduce your debt. High levels of debt can also hurt your credit score, so it's important to work on reducing your debt. Focus on paying off high-interest credit card balances first and try to make more than the minimum payment each month. Limit new credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, it shows up on your credit report, which can have a negative impact on your score. Limit the number of new credit applications you make and only apply for credit when you really need it. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple sources of debt, consider consolidating them into one manageable payment. This can help simplify your finances, reduce your interest rates, and make it easier to keep track of your payments. Stay positive. Repairing your credit takes time, but it's important to stay positive and keep working at it. Establishing good credit habits, such as paying bills on time, reducing debt, and limiting new credit applications, will help you reach your goal. Be patient. Repairing your credit is a long-term process and it can take several months or even years to see a significant improvement in your credit score. But by sticking to your plan and continuing to work on improving your credit, you will eventually see results. In conclusion, repairing your credit is an important step in achieving financial stability and independence. By following these tips, you can work towards a better credit score and a brighter financial future. It may take time, but the effort will be well worth it in the end. Just remember to be patient, stay positive, and keep working at it. With dedication and persistence, you can repair your bad credit and achieve your financial goals.